We had a home in Terravita for about 6 years, and we decided it was time to move. We needed more square footage, we needed more garage space, so we listed the house with another realtor, and that was on the market probably a year?
I'd say 15 months.
15 months.
Mm-hmm. On and off.
And we weren't getting the results, so we decided we needed to make a change.
Our home was a beautiful home. I couldn't understand why it wasn't selling. Everybody's homes were selling but ours, and I just couldn't figure it out, and I thought maybe we're too high, and we weren't. We were spot on to where we needed to be because we had done so much to the home, a lot of remodeling, and it was fabulous. So I was very frustrated, and I was determined we were going to get out of there. So we reduced it 4 times, which we really didn't want to have to do, but we felt that was the only way we were going to get it sold. I saw Scott's sign all over Terravita for a while. And I was like, oh my gosh, I really would like to use this guy, but I felt obligated to the realtor that we had, and we were under contract, so I kept thinking, okay, as soon as the contract's up, I am going to look this gentleman up and let him list our home and let us know what we're doing wrong or if there's something we need to be doing, different to help the house to sell.
Ronna said, I'm hiring him, so she hired him. And at that point, Scott wanted to do He introduced his team, and by the way, Scott's team is fabulous, unbelievable. So his team came in, and they wanted to do a few alterations to the house.
Right from the start, talking to him, he made me feel confident, and he said, I can get your home sold. I bet you 30 days I can have your home sold. And I thought, this guy's pretty confident. So I was excited. I thought, okay, let's see. Scott said, I'm gonna keep the price right where you have it. We're not going to lower it, and I thought, oh my goodness, I love this.
He had all this, like algorithms, a lot of experience and time in the game when it comes to marketing, as far as building it up contemporarily with the times, and it was night and day.
He talked to me about staging the home a little different because I like a lot of decor and a lot of color. He talked to me about we need to tone it down just a little, maybe take some more things out. And I was a little offensive at first because I thought, oh my gosh, I don't want to actually have to do that. I don't want to paint, but I did.
Scott said, I'm going to sell this house in a week. And I went, okay, we're going to see what he's got. And to be honest with you, I believed him. I mean, that's how confident he was. I
was in Flagstaff at my sister's cabin, and Scott gave me a call, and he said, hey, we're getting an offer. And I said, really? And he said, I think we might be getting 2. And I go, what? And he goes, yeah, I think we're gonna get 2 offers. I go, you gotta be kidding me. So sure enough, that night we had 2 offers on the table, full price offers. So I was ecstatic. So I went to Joe and I said, you're never gonna believe this. And he's like, what? And he goes, really? And I go, yeah. As soon as the house went into escrow, everything was just so smooth. No stress. Everything just happened so easily, and I was just like, this was so easy.
Listed with one agent for 15 months, listed with Scott, sold in 6 days. He's the guy.
Scott's our guy.